Combining sentences. Yes, that's an important concept. Important concept that will help make your writing even better. So this video helps explain some of those concepts. All right, an example of why this is important. Let's look at this. Jim likes to play baseball. Tom likes to play baseball. Jim is tall. Tom is tall. Jim plays left field. Jim also plays second base. Tom plays center field. Tom also plays third base. Jim likes to win. Tom likes to win. Ugh. Okay, now actually this is grammatically fine, but there's a lot of repetition in here, and it's kind of boring. We don't want to do that. We don't want to have boring writing, okay? Why? Because our brains like variety. Reading the same types of sentences over and over becomes boring. The same concept of when you, let's say you have a song you like, and if you just listen to that same song over and over and over and over, finally you get kind of tired of it. But if you listen to that favorite song and then listen to 5 or 6 other songs and come back to that favorite song and then listen to 8 or 9 other songs and come back to that favorite song, you don't get as tired of it as easily. There's some variety. Okay? Good writers find ways to mix up sentence lengths because that gets variety. And one way to do that is to combine sentences when possible. We're basically having the same information and we're doing it in a way that is more interesting. Alright, so let's take a look again. Okay? Jim likes to play baseball. Tom likes to play baseball. So notice it's basically the same sentence twice. The only thing that's different is Jim and Tom. So we can combine these sentences. Jim and Tom like to play baseball. So we've combined the subjects and we changed the verb, because this is the verb, subject-verb agreement. This is a singular verb. This is a singular verb. This becomes a plural verb. But the idea is still the same. Okay? So instead of having these two sentences which basically say the same thing, we've now combined them into one, which makes for a shorter sentence, which generally is more interesting. So twice as much information into a shorter sentence. Yes. So here's a good trick to use when combining sentences. When combining sentences, you need to keep what is common and what is connected. What is common and what is connected. So if you look at sentences, you want to keep what's common and what's connected. That's a good trick. Common, connected, the 2 C's. For example, Jenny is failing algebra at Shaw. Oh, that's sad. Jenny is passing English at Shaw. Well, that's good. So you'll notice that we have a couple of things here. Jenny is the common thing in both sentences, and Shaw is common in both sentences. Now, we also have to keep the connected ideas that she's failing algebra. That's an idea that's connected. And passing English. That's an idea that's connected. Now, what happens if you don't? Well, let me show you. So if we mix it together wrong, it would be Jenny is failing and passing algebra and English at Shaw. Okay, how is it possible to fail and pass a class at the same time? I don't know. See, we've changed the meaning of the sentence by not keeping what was connected. We needed to keep what was connected, which was failing algebra and passing English. So the right way to do it would be Jenny, which is common, is failing algebra. Failing algebra is connected. And passing English, which is connected idea, at Shaw, which is common between the two. So this would be the right way to combine those two sentences. Same information, 2 sentences, but into 1 sentence. All right, let's do another practice. Again, what's common connected? So let's see if you can figure this one out. James will go skiing during winter break. James won't go to the beach during winter break. Okay, so maybe pause the video for a second and think to yourself, okay, what's common here? What's connected? How could I rewrite this into 1 sentence where I'm keeping what's common and connected? So pause. I'm going to give you the answer in 3, 2, 1. All right, here's the answer. Okay, so we need to keep what is common and connected. So what's common is James. Okay, we're talking about James, and we're keeping what else is common during winter break. So we're talking about something that we're talking about James and winter break. Those are common things that we're keeping. And the ideas that are connected are will go skiing. So he is skiing, but he's not going to the beach. So these are concepts that need to be stuck together. So the way that we can do that is James will go skiing, but won't go to the beach during winter break. So we kept James, we kept during winter break, which is common, and we kept the connected idea that he is going skiing, but he's not going to the beach. Again, I don't have it written out here, but a way that would be wrong is James will be going to the skiing and beach and won't be doing both. What? Yeah, anyway, it's a mess. So that's how, as a trick, the common and connected trick is a great way to help you combine sentences. All right, have fun.